troubleshooting, data printing and photocopying. For photocopying, using ADF. So for the ADF, this glass to be used. This is a front page and the back page. Using the back page, the front page will touch this glass. For the back page, it will use this glass. Okay. So, for example, if you will do photocopy, check first the original. Maybe your original is dirty. So, if there's no line in the original, there's no other scratch in the original, that's the time you'll do the basic troubleshooting. Okay? So, you will do just use the dry cloth, and for the front page, you will use if you have the line here, we will do first in this glass. If the line or in the second page or the back page, you will clean the glass inside the PDF. Okay, what causes of this line? Sometimes there's a user, they are using liquid eraser. You are familiar with the liquid eraser? They will put it, liquid eraser, put it here, and without waiting to be dry, they will just put it in the ADF, then they will do photocopy. So that liquid eraser will touches here in the glass. That causes the glass to be dirty. Once the glass is dirty, your photocopy is dirty. So avoid using the liquid eraser if it's still wet. Then if it is dry, that's the time you will use clean. Okay, so this is for the automatic document feeder. For the flatbed, this area. So some photocopier machine, no PDF. So this just focus it there. Okay, for example, you are done with the troubleshooting in this area, but still there's a line in the page. So that's the time you will open inside. So inside, what's next? So if your original is clean, then the photocopy has line. That's the time you will observe the drum. So there's a drum inside. So if you will open this one, so this is a drum of, assuming this is the drum of Ricoh. This is a drum from Xerox D125. Okay. Just observe the drum. So if you can see a scratch in the drum, then every page, that scratch will cause a black line, a uniform line. So that's the time you can call a technician that there's a scratch in the. If in every page there's a uniform line, black line, so you need to check for the drum or there's a scratch. Or if you can see a scratch, that's the time you will call the technician for the repair. Okay, and another one is the drum. Sometimes you can see black lines in the drum. So if you can see the black lines in the drum, so the cleaning blade needs to be clean or replaced. So that's the time you will call for the technician for the repair. Okay, so aside from the drum, if you cannot see anything or any problem with the drum, no scratch, no black line, so next we will check for the fuser. Okay, so this is the fuser side of the Ricoh. So be careful, this is very hot. So once you observe inside, so the hot roller is, you can see the two. The upper part, which is the pressure roller, it's the lower part, it's the lower part, it's a hot roller. Okay, so some fuser, it's composed of Teflon. So if you can see a scratch or the Teflon was removed, so that causes the black line. So just observe if there's no scratch or no removal of the Teflon, so the fuser is okay. So just from the automatic document feeder, just clean the glass, then observe the drum and the fuser. Okay? So that's a basic troubleshooting for the Ricoh. Any question? No?
Sir, I have the line in the